I almost lost out on hundreds, if not thousands of dollars when I first got started as a creator. Honestly, I had no idea what to charge. I was pretty much just making up numbers and seeing what stuck. But now we've got things like these great studies that companies like Later and Maverick are doing. They just released the Creator Rates Report for 2023, and I've got some stuff I have to share with you. And also, the last one really threw me for a loop. First things first, the millennials are coming through. They are the largest group of all the creators that they surveyed, 67%. While TikTok is definitely the hub for short form content, Instagram Reels are actually where creators are making more money. This does not surprise me at all. 44% of monetizers are earning at least $200 per reel, compared to only 28% that are making similar amounts on TikTok. Now, this one was the most shocking to me. They analyzed over 29,000 Instagram posts, and look at the median rates here. I'm not gonna lie, I almost threw up when I saw this. They are so low. The average for my follower account is $278, okay? I'm charging at the bare minimum $1.25K for a reel. And that's a rate that I'm very consistently getting. What's going on, guys? Let me know if you want a link to this study. It was really, really interesting to read. There's a lot of great information in it. And thank you to Later and Maverick for putting this together.